welcome dear student. Yesterday we discussed adjective in detail, and today inshallah the fifth part of speech is adverb. So inshallah we are going to study adverb in detail today. So first of all, the definition of adverb. An adverb is a word used for qualifying the meaning of a verb, an adjective or sometime another adverb. तो उर्दू में जो इसका हम करेंगे कि वो अल्फाज जो किसी फ़ेल, इसम, सिफ़त या दूसरे यानी एडवर्ब की किसी खसूसियत को ज़ाहिर करें तो इसे मुतलक पे फ़ेल यानी एडवर्ब्स कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, ही वॉक्स स्लोली. तो अब इस जुमले में जो वॉक है ये हमारे पास वर्ब है और स्लोली एडवर्ब है. तो ये जो स्लोली है ये क्वालिफाई कर रहा है वॉक को. तो another example is he is very slow. So slow is adjective, very is adverb qualifying the adjective slow. अब इस जुमले में जो he is very slow, इसमें हमारे पास जो slow है ये adjective है, very adverb है और ये क्वालिफाई कर रहा है किसको जी? slow को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है. And next example is he walks very slowly. slowly हमारे पास इसमें adverb है, very adverb है और qualifying an other adverb slowly. सो ये मतलब कि हमें वर्ब के मुतालिक यानी जो वर्ब है, जो एक्शन है, उसके मुतालिक बात करेगा ये, यानी उसकी मानी में उसके मानी में इजाफा करेगा या उसकी जो है ना वो खुसूसियत बताएगा. जैसे एडजेक्टिव हमें जो है ना नाउन और प्रोनाउन की सिफ्त के मुतालिक बताता था, ऐसे एडवर्ब हमें जैसे बाय द नेम इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर एडवर्ब विच इज़ एडिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ब, और समटाइम्स इट मे बी qualifying the meaning of adjective or sometime may be another adverb. It may be adding to the meaning of another adverb, but it is very often. But basically and most of the time adverb will qualify, or you can say that add to the meaning of a verb. So this is the the definition. For example, as we I gave you the example before that he walks slowly. So if I say he is slow, so this is adjective. But if I will say that he walks slowly, so the word slowly is qualifying the meaning of walk. So this is all about adverb definition. And now the kinds of adverb. So basically there are three different kinds of adverbs: the simple adverb, the interrogative adverb and the relative adverb. So now inshallah we will study about the kinds of adverb in detail. So first one is the simple adverbs. A simple adverb is used merely to qualify the meaning of a word to which it is attached. यानी वो कलमा जो किसी ऐसे लफ्ज़ की तौज़ी करे जिसके साथ वो मुंसलिक हो. मसलन he came quickly, do it well. तो अब इसमें देखें कि जो पहला फ़िक्रा है इसमें क्विकली जो फ़ेल है ये केम की क्या कर रहा है? तौज़ी कर रहा है, यानी उसके मुतालिक बता रहा है. और दूसरे में जो वेल है प्रोनाउन इट की क्या कर रहा है? तौज़ी कर रहा है, उसके मुतालिक हमें ये बता रहा है. और इसकी थोड़ी सी लेट्स हैव सम मोर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द सिंपल एडवर्ब. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ इफ़ वी विल टॉक अबाउट क्वालिटी और मैनर. So the example of quality or manner as far as the adverb, the simple adverb is concerned, the example is of quality or manner is he did his work slowly. And the second example is about quantity or degree. So the quantity or degree example is he is very clever. And the third is number. So the number example is he seldom failed or he always went. And the next example is about time. So the time sentence is he did this before or he will soon come. And the place example is where did he go. And the last one is cause. So the cause example is why did he say this. So these are all the examples of simple adverbs.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Next one is interrogative adverbs. By the name it is very clear that interrogative mean that asking question. So the definition is the interrogative adverbs are those which are used for asking questions, यानी वो अल्फाज जो सवाल पूछने के लिए इस्तेमाल हो। मसलन सबसे पहले इसमें द फर्स्ट इज़ क्वालिटी और मैनर, तो उसकी हमारे पास एग्जांपल होगी हाउ डिड ही डू दिस। द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज़ क्वांटिटी और डिग्री, सो इट्स सेंटेंसेस हाउ फॉर इज़ दिस रिपोर्ट ट्रू। The next relative adverb is not only qualifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, but also connects sentences। यानी जो हमारे पास रिलेटिव एडवर्ब है ये वो अल्फाज है जो सिर्फ नाउन, ना सिर्फ नाउन और या अज्जाए कलाम के अलावा इनकी तोज़ी व तशरीह करते हैं बल्कि फ़िक्रों को आपस में मिलाते भी हैं। यानी एक तरफ से तो ये मुतलक फ़ेल है यानी एडवर्ब है, और यानी एडवर्ब की जो टाइप है रिलेटिव एडवर्ब वो भी है, और दूसरी तरफ ये हरूफ अतफ़ यानी जो कहलाते हैं उनका भी ये रोल प्ले करता है, जैसे कि एज, हाउ, देन, व्हेन, वेयर, वाइल, वाई, वेयर एज, वेयर बाय। सो नाउ आई विल यूज़ two of the examples of relative adverb in sentences, so then it will be very very clear to you guys. So the first example is I do not know where she was born. So in these sentences these are two sentences, I do not know and she was born somewhere, yani she was born where. So in this sentence the word where is connecting two sentences. I do not know is a single one sentence, and the second sentence is she was born somewhere. So the sentence I do not know and she was born are connected by the word where. So another example is this is the place where he died. So these are now two sentences. This is the place and he died here. So these two sentences are connected by the word where. So relative adverb is quite simple, that it not only qualifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, but also connect sentences. Like I gave you the examples, I do not know where she was born. So these are two sentences, I do not know and she was born. So they are connected by the word where. And the another example is this is the place where he died. So this is the place is just one sentence, and he died. So he died here. So these are two sentences connected by the word where. So this was all about the adverb, and adverb has three types.